the heck are you? I hope you're doing great, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Today, I am going to get my snowmobile out, and I'm going to get towed on the sled behind my snowmobile, and I'm going to get to ride too. So, let's get right into that. Okay guys, I'm going to get the GoPro on, and I'm going to get some music on in this video, and let's start getting towed behind the sled in the snowmobile. Alright, music's going on. 3, 2, 1. watching. I hope you enjoyed me getting pulled around by the sled. Now I'm going to go on my snowmobile for a little bit and do some videos. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me going on the sled behind the snowmobile and me snowmobiling, because I had fun with that, and I hope you enjoy it too, because I want to make your days fulfilling and make your day entertaining, because I hope you enjoy watching these too. And I want to give a shout out to my awesome cousin Marcus, who is becoming an awesome little vlogger. Hi Marcus, because I know you're watching this. So yeah, you are awesome, and I know you always will be, Marcus. And I can't wait to see you soon. But yeah guys, I am going to end the vlog here because it's getting nighttime, and I want to edit, and I might continue because I'm doing not really an unboxing video, but what's inside video, kind of like, because I'm taking apart a broken heater, which I'll probably put that video out tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll work on it tonight, but I'm going to work on this vlog tonight. So if you want to support my channel, please comment on this video, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!